Picture this. You're backstage before the biggest audition of your life. You don't need a new song. You need the right mic. In the world of credit, a credit line increase is that mic. A small, strategic change that amplifies your financial voice. It can lower your credit utilization, unlock better loan pricing, and open doors to higher limits and better offers. But ask carelessly, and you'll drop the mic. Hard inquiries, mistimed requests, and ill-managed limits can nudge your score in the wrong direction. This isn't negotiation theater. It's timing, evidence, and language. And yes, you can do it without hurting yourself. This first part maps when to ask, the signals lenders watch for, and the mental checklist you must complete before you hit the phone or the app. Why a credit increase matters. The mechanic. A credit line increase is one of the most underused levers in personal finance. It affects three major things. Credit utilization. Raising your available credit lowers utilization, balance divided by limit, which often boosts your score quickly. A bump from $5,000 to $10,000 can cut your utilization in half overnight. Loan pricing and offers. Lower utilization and a stronger profile improve your odds for better interest rates on loans. Lenders see lower risk and price accordingly. Flexibility and emergencies. More credit gives breathing room. But remember, flexibility is powerful only if you don't confuse it with spending power. But a limit increase is not always a free lunch. Issuers sometimes perform a hard inquiry that temporarily dents your score. Others do a soft pull that leaves your score untouched. The art is to ask in a way that avoids an unnecessary hard pull. The ideal candidates. When you're ready to ask, don't ask because you feel entitled. Ask because your profile has changed in ways lenders value. Ask when you've had 6 to 12 months of on-time payments on the account. Payment history is the heaviest signal. Your income has increased, raise, new job, bonus, and you can document it. Lenders prefer higher income relative to balances. Your utilization is low, ideally under 10 to 20%, and steady on reporting days. Low utilization signals responsible behavior. You haven't had recent hard inquiries. 6 months is a safe buffer. Multiple recent applications look like risk-seeking. You've resolved recent derogatory marks, collections paid, disputes cleared, and your report is clean. Lenders hate surprises. If you meet at least a few of these, you're in a strong position. The Before You Ask checklist. Do this first. Before you ask for more credit, complete this micro audit. Pull your latest credit reports, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and confirm account data is accurate. Calculate your current utilization across all cards and on each card statement close date. Document income changes, pay stubs, offer letters, or official company emails. List payments, history. 6 to 12 months of on-time payments on the requesting account is golden. Confirm the issuer's policy. Some banks automatically review and grant increases. Others require a manual request. Check their FAQ or call support for reporting practices. This homework transforms your ask from a request into a fact-based proposition. Soft pull versus hard pull. The difference that changes everything. Here's the strategic center. Ask for a soft pull-only review. Many issuers will perform a soft check to evaluate an increase. No score impact. But some will automatically run a hard pull unless you explicitly say otherwise. If the agent says a hard pull is required, pause. You can either accept the hard pull, if your profile is otherwise clean and the potential benefit outweighs the temporary ding, or you can ask for reconsideration later after building more positive signals. What to expect after you ask. If approved, soft or hard pull. New limit posts in 1 to 5 business days. Check your online account and your credit reports the next reporting cycle to confirm the change and the reporting behavior. If denied, common, ask for a reconsideration reason. Many issuers will give a specific factor, income, utilization, age of account. You can then address it and reapply later. If they require a hard pull, weigh the short-term score dip versus long-term benefit. If your utilization will drop enough to offset the hard pull, the net score may improve in a few months. The responsible use rules. If you get the increase, new credit is not an invitation to spend. Treat your new limit as a rescue lane, not a runway. Keep utilization low. Aim for less than 10 to 20% on reporting dates. Avoid large one-off purchases that you can't pay off quickly. Consider a small auto transfer to sweep balances to a savings or payoff plan. Don't let the old habit continue. Recalculate your emergency fund. Extra available credit is not a substitute for cash. When to re-ask after denial. Exact timelines. A denial is feedback, not a wall. Common waiting windows. Soft denial for lack of income or recent history. Wait 3 to 6 months after improving income or establishing 6 more months of on-time payments. Denial due to recent inquiries. Wait 6 to 12 months. Hard inquiries fade and their effect diminishes. Denial for utilization. Lower balances and wait 1 to 2 billing cycles, then reapply. A quick drop in utilization is sometimes enough. Denial for account age or limited history. This needs time, often 6 to 12 months of steady behavior. If the issuer gives a reason, follow it precisely. If they don't, ask for the specific reason code or a clear explanation. It gives you targets to change. Alternative paths to more credit without a hard pull. If the issuer insists on a hard pull, try these alternatives. Request an unsecured product upgrade within the issuer. Sometimes they can convert your product internally with a soft review. Ask for a small temporary increase. Some banks offer short-term boosts that require less underwriting. Become an authorized user on a trusted person's account with long history. This can raise your available credit indirectly without an inquiry. Use ethically and with trust. Apply for a targeted pre-approved offer. Soft pull first. These are often issuer-specific and come with higher approval odds. Responsible aftercare. What to do after approval. Update your utilization targets and set new autopay levels if necessary. Avoid using newfound room to increase habits. Instead, schedule a monthly review. Consider incremental increases. Ask again for a modest bump after 6 to 12 months of responsible use. Frequent small increases are often safer than a single giant leap. Document everything. Save approval emails, new limit screenshots, and confirm via credit reports that the new limit is properly reported. Common pitfalls. What to avoid at all costs. Treating increased credit as spending money. That instantly negates the benefit. Rushing into hard pull requests without asking for soft reviews first. Applying for multiple increases or cards at once. Each hard pull stacks damage. Closing the old account after a limit increase elsewhere. Account age matters. Don't sabotage your history. The ask as a strategic move. Asking for a credit increase is an exercise in timing, evidence, and restraint. When you prepare the facts, income proof, utilization math, and a solid history, and you ask with the exact language that preserves a soft pull, you convert a small request into a big advantage. The reward is not just a higher limit. It's an improved financial posture that yields better offers, lower rates, and quieter peace of mind. If you want the exact scripts formatted for phone, chat, and secure message, plus a one-page checklist to print and follow before every request, visit wiseconsultant.com. Start small, ask smart, and let the compound effect do the rest. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such